All right, guys, this is Steve Spurlock with Feud Country Leather, and we're here at the sewing machine. We're still working on this rifle sling. I've got my thread loaded, my bobbin loaded, 138. First rule of sewing with a sewing machine: always check your bobbin. Make sure you got enough thread in the bobbin to make it to finish out your project with, because it's never fun running out in the middle of a project and having to go back and trying to redo it or start over from the middle right there. But anyway, I've got this is a Cobra Class 26 leather machine company, Cobra Class 26. I've got my edge guide already set to just a fuzz over 1/8 of an inch, and so the edge will ride right along with this. When I start, I always start down here, because any of that it'll start here and end here, and at the main bottom of the sling, because right here in this, let me get it in the light, but in this slot right here, when I cut this out, that's where the rest of the sling strap's going to go, and it'll cover up all of that beginning and end of the thread. So that's where I always start at. My hand will get in the way here for a second, but that's where I always start at, is right in there, and that gives me my good place to finish. I don't want to just turn loose with it and just start cranking, because I want to make sure it all Now, because of the strap that at the top, this is the piece that'll flip over and attach to the back, that will snap together and holds the sling swivel. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise up my needle just enough, cycle it ahead just enough to be able to clear with my edge guide, move the edge guide out of the way, and then I'm going to go right through this arch. And then I get on the other side, and I'm able to put my edge guide right back down. Cut off this excess down here, because I'm going to get down here and go in those same holes, so that the thread anchors itself when I finish it off. Boy, that don't happen every day. And that'll do it. All right. Turned out very nice on the back. Got a good beat on the back. And got our Got it going all right on the front. I'll have to pull it a little bit to get that. There's one off right there. The knot's a little bit high. That'll do just fine. That'll do just fine. All right, that finishes up this main part of the strap. We'll do edges next, and finish out this strap up on the top, and attach the strap to the bottom. So, all right, we'll see you in the next video.